Chloe from Pro Direct Fit here. Now we're down at CrossFit Aldgate East to test out the Reebok Nano 9s. So we've invited loads of people to come down and really put them through their paces. So let's see how they get on. So workout started. Let's find out how the shoes are really shaping up. Beth, how are the shoes?
Super comfy, nice and bouncy as well.
Oh, I love them. Honestly, the whole thing's amazing.
How are they going up on the ropes?
Good stability. Yeah, very spongy.
Gonna show us?
We'll do that one and then I'll come back.
See, I'm just interrupting people. What's the best bit about the shoes then?
They're grippy on the rope. They're good on the rope, yeah.
Go on, best bit about the shoes so far.
It's very comfortable. Absolutely great. I feel kind of squidgy.
Perfect. That's that, squidgy. That is a technical term if you're wondering, squidgy. I think it's Harvey's first CrossFit workout, so let's see. I mean, sorry, I feel like I shouldn't distract you, but is it your first CrossFit workout?
It's my first CrossFit workout.
And how are the Nanos shaping up for your first ever CrossFit?
They feel good, they feel good.
How are they to climb the rope?
I should probably check actually. I've not done one with a climb one.
So there's different levels, right? The hardest one you don't even use your feet. Obviously he's not even using his feet. Go on, use them please. To scale it down. Yeah?
Yeah. It's you see that I also went up one the moment I climbed in. Sturdy.
These people are too good. They don't even need the trainers to get up the rope. Out of 10, how you feeling?
Excellent. Obviously feeling 10 out of 10. This isn't hard at all.
So I feel like everyone is getting very, very sweaty now. Let's go. How are you now?
I'm alright, I'm doing well. Yeah. Just getting out of breath now, getting hard.
Go on, girls, keep going. How you feeling?
Amazing.
Don't know where they are. Come on then, talk to me.
Oh my goodness.
How you feeling?
Holy moly, I've got so much energy. It's the shoe.
Can you quickly talk me through the workout?
So what we're doing in teams of 2, they have to bank either 30 or 20 calories on the erg, 30 for guys, 20 for girls. Then we're getting out and walking the sandbag to the end and back each. We've got work up on the rig with a toaster bar movement, a hanging knee raise movement, and then we're doing some swings. 15 minutes, as much work as they can.
Oh, hell.
It looks like they're going through it well.
Wowie. Good job, they got some good shoes, hey? What an absolutely incredible event today has been. Everyone absolutely loved the Nano 9s. We invited not only CrossFitters down, but personal trainers, fitness class goers, yogis. We invited so many different people down because we wanted to find out what kind of like the mass market felt about the Reebok Nanos. We knew the CrossFitters loved it, so what were other people thought about them? And honestly, they loved them. The comfort, the rope climbs, the running, the jumping, the lifting, throughout kind of every movement. People were loving them. Reebok, I think you've done it with these. So that's us done here at CrossFit.